I just gave away the future. Well, not really. But what if I told you that in the last 10 years, humanity basically unlocked cheat codes for real life, creating anything you can imagine out of thin air, rewriting the very code of life itself, and even making space travel as routine as catching a bus. It sounds like science fiction, but I promise you it's 100% real and it's happening right now. These aren't just small upgrades. These are game-changing inventions that have completely reshaped our world from 2014 to today. Welcome back to What Kind of Toast? Today we're showcasing the top 5 coolest inventions of the last decade. We're going to break down not just what they are, but how they can literally make your life easier and maybe even make you some serious money. I'm talking about turning your bedroom into a factory or starting a business that reaches outer space. This is going to be one of our biggest videos yet, so you won't want to miss a single second of it. This list is absolutely insane, and trust me, the last invention on our list will blow your mind. You use its benefits every single day without even realizing it. So if you want more top 5 videos like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. It will help the channel grow, and you'll get more exciting content like this every day. Seriously, press it, I'll wait. Okay, you did it? Awesome. Let's jump into the first invention that's changing the world. Coming in at number 5 turns your imagination into reality: 3D printing. Forget going to the store. What if you needed a specific part for your broken dishwasher, or a custom phone case, or even a miniature version of your favorite video game character? 10 years ago, you were out of luck. Today, you can just download a file, hit print, and a machine on your desk will build it for you, layer by layer. It's like having a magic factory in your own home. This isn't just a toy for hobbyists anymore, it's a full-blown manufacturing revolution. The reason this is so mind-blowing is because it completely flips the script on how we make things. Traditionally, making something new and custom was incredibly expensive and took forever. This is called rapid prototyping, and it means inventors and companies can test and improve ideas faster than ever. So how does this make your life easier? Imagine never having to throw something away because you can't find a replacement part. You can just print one. Or what about creating perfectly customized gifts for your friends and family? The possibilities are literally endless. And here's the best part: the money angle. You could start your own 3D printing service right from your bedroom, or you could design and sell your own unique products on sites like Etsy. This isn't just a cool gadget, it's a business in a box. Okay, 3D printing is cool, but what if I told you the next invention lets us edit the source code of life itself? At number 4, we have CRISPR gene editing. I want you to think of all living things, plants, animals, even you, as being run by a giant computer-programmed DNA. For decades, scientists could read that code, but they couldn't easily change it. CRISPR is like giving them the ultimate find-and-replace tool for biology. It allows them to go into a DNA strand, find a specific faulty gene, cut it out, replace it with a healthy one. This is one of the biggest breakthroughs in the history of science. We're talking about the potential to cure genetic diseases that have plagued humanity for centuries. Imagine a world where we can just delete these diseases from a person's DNA. But it's not just about humans. Scientists are using CRISPR to make crops more resilient to drought, which could help solve world hunger. It's a total game changer for medicine and agriculture. It points towards a new era of personalized medicine. They could analyze your personal DNA and design a treatment specifically for you. The biotech industry is exploding because of CRISPR. If you have a passion for science, this is the field to be in right now. It's literally the business of building a better future. At number 3, we have an invention that many of us now see every single day: the modern electric car. And I'm not just talking about glorified golf carts. The electric cars that blew up in the last decade are basically supercomputers on wheels. The first time you ride in one, the instant silent acceleration feels like you've been launched off an aircraft carrier. It's a completely different experience from a gas car. There's no engine roar, no vibration, just pure, instant speed. It's like upgrading from a flip phone to a smartphone. The biggest one for your wallet is the cost. You never have to go to a gas station again. Imagine waking up every single morning with a full tank just by plugging your car in overnight at home. On top of that, electric cars have way fewer moving parts than a gas engine. That means no oil changes, the car improves itself while you sleep, and the tech inside is insane. With giant touchscreens controlling everything, self-driving features that can handle your commute, it's less of a car and more of a personal mobility device. You could start your own business installing home charging stations, which are in massive demand. You can also buy an EV and use it for ride-sharing services like Uber or Turo. Your operating costs will be so much lower than other drivers that you'll make more profit on every single trip. It's one of the few inventions that can save you money and make you money at the same time. Coming in hot at number 2, an upgrade to something you already own, but it's so powerful, it's basically a new invention. Smartphones with on-device AI. For years, the smart in your phone mostly came from connecting to the internet. But in the last decade, companies started building powerful AI processors directly into the phones themselves. This means your phone isn't just running apps, it's thinking, learning, anticipating your needs without even needing a connection. It turned your phone from a tool into a genuine assistant. The most obvious benefit is in photography. You know how phone pictures suddenly got so much better? That's AI. It analyzes the scene in real time and even combines multiple photos to create one perfect shot. It's called computational photography, but it goes deeper. AI powers real-time translation. This makes life insanely convenient. Your phone's AI can now automatically organize your photos. It's like having a little butler in your pocket who is always one step ahead. And the money angle is everywhere. You can build mobile apps that leverage these new on-device AI capabilities to do things that were impossible just a few years ago. Content creators are using AI-powered video and photo editing tools on their phones to produce professional quality work on the go. Your smartphone is no longer just for consumption, it's a powerful tool for creation and commerce. And now, the number 1 coolest, most world-changing invention of the last decade. It's not something you can hold in your hand, but it affects all of us every day. SpaceX's reusable rockets. For the entire history of spaceflight, rockets were used. Once imagine buying a brand new Boeing 747, flying it from New York to London one time and then crashing it into the ocean. That's how expensive space travel was. It was insane. What SpaceX did was figure out how to land the most expensive part of the rocket, the first stage booster, back on Earth, so it could be flown again and again. This is the biggest deal in space since we landed on the moon. By reusing rockets, SpaceX slashed the cost of launching things into orbit by up to 90%. This didn't just make space cheaper, it made it accessible. Suddenly, building and launching satellites wasn't just for governments and giant corporations anymore. Startups, universities, smaller countries. This has triggered a massive global commercial space race. So how does this make your life easier? 2 words: global internet. SpaceX's Starlink project, a massive constellation of thousands of small satellites. They are bringing high-speed internet to rural and remote places all over the world. Better GPS, more accurate weather forecasting, countless other data services. The money angle here is literally astronomical. There are fortunes to be made in analyzing space data to give businesses a competitive edge. Reusable rockets didn't just change spaceflight, they changed the world. And that's the list. The last 10 years have been absolutely wild. These 5 inventions aren't just cool gadgets, they are fundamental shifts in what is possible for humanity, and are opening up entire new economies that didn't exist a decade ago. It really makes you wonder what the next 10 years are going to look like. What will be on the list in 2034? The craziest part is that we are all living through this revolution right now. The future isn't just something that happens to us, it's something we can all help build, and that is incredibly exciting. So now I have to ask you, which invention excites you most? Are you Team CRISPR, Team SpaceX? Let me know in the comments below, I read every single one. And don't forget to like this video, and hit that subscribe button for more exciting top 5 videos. We have so many more crazy ideas to share with you, and you won't want to miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.